Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing free stuff video. It's another beautiful week, another Christmas week. Let's go and start from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 items. In fact, I think there's a UPS delivery that's coming. For some reason, I lost my red box cutter. Hope I didn't accidentally throw it away because that's my favorite one. This is kind of like a cheap one. How's everybody doing? Looks like summer is like halfway gone or so. So hopefully I have some exciting products right here. Oh, this is a vegetable cleaning brush. Yeah. Hey, sometimes it's simple things that can work. I just want to test it out. You know, sometimes vegetables, even though they might be organically grown, has a lot of they spray, and sometimes they spray insecticides and pesticides on it, even though they might be organically grown, because to prevent from bugs destroying the fruit. Oh, this is a clock. Look at this digital clock alarm clock. That's gonna be pretty cool. All right. Okay. I wonder what's inside the big box though. Is everybody enjoying the summer? I don't have much stuff going on. Oh, belly band holster. This is one of those holsters. Let me give you a sneak peek at this. I've been kind of looking forward to this. This wraps around your waist and it's a holster. I think it's like a concealed holster. There you go. Look at this. Yeah, that's basically what it is. Cool. Cool. All right, what's up in here? This is a God Luck Free Your Hands. Oh, it's a electric can opener. Another simple product, but helpful, useful for the kitchen because I tend to do a lot of cooking, as you guys know. Even though I don't make as many recipe videos, cooking videos, but I still do a lot of my own cooking because that's the way to save money and you also eat more nutritious. All right, check it out. Foldable neck fan. This looks like a fancy design. Look at that. That's gonna be cool. Probably take that with me to the beach. Definitely needed that when I was in Vietnam. It was super hot, man. Every day with the heat index and the humidity, feels like 100 degrees, over 100 degrees every day. It was crazy, man. Oh, what's this? Portable rechargeable fan. Look at how heavy duty this is. Wow, I'm pretty impressed by this packaging. Look at this. Ooh. Now let's get into this big box right here. What is it? Is it 3 PS5s? Who knows? You ready for this? Gotta be careful with the box cutter. It could be fragile. Man, I hope it's something exciting. Electronic. I see a S. Snail Lark. I don't even know what that is. I'm not too familiar with the brand. Snail Lax? What is Snail Lax? Oh man, that's fancy packaging. Let's see what it says right here. I gotta cut up this huge box. Man, it's like a workout. Jeez, don't destroy my YouTube studio right here. Let me throw this box right here. Alright, this says Snailbox Shiatsu Neck Back Massager. Oh, wow, I didn't know it was this big though. I might as well give you guys a sneak peek, okay? Jeez, I wasn't expecting this to be this big packaging. Must be seriously big. Oh, my mom would definitely enjoy this, right? Oh yeah, that's definitely it. I might as well give you guys a sneak peek, guys. Cool. See? This is what it is. It's like a whole seat. That massager. See right there? Yeah, that's it. Woo-wee! Another good week. So these are my upcoming reviews. Make sure you guys check those out.